Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a full lower body workout. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button and join the family. This whole workout is beginner friendly because I haven't been to the gym in a while, so my first day back in the gym, I just wanted to take it easy, not go too hard. So if you're a beginner, this will be super easy to follow along with, or an easy workout for you to do on your own. Like I said before, y'all, I'm not taking this workout too hard. I'm just starting off with some leg raises and leg curls to target my hamstrings and my quads. You want to make sure to take your time when you're doing this. Make sure everything is slow and controlled. I am definitely rusty when it comes to working out because I haven't gone in so long, but you want to make sure that your body is not moving when you're doing isolated exercises, right? So right now I'm working on my quads and my upper body should not be moving at all, but it is slightly and it shouldn't be. I also wanted to point out that when I reach the top of my leg raise, I just hold it for like a second or two just to give it an extra burn. The good old hip abductor machine is one of my favorites to activate my glute muscles, so I like to do this before I do any other glute exercise or glute targeted exercise, just to warm them up and make sure that they're nice and activated. So with my leg presses, the most important thing you want to focus on is your foot placement. My foot is high up on like the foot area and I'm pushing through my heel. Like I put most of the weight through my heel to target my glutes more because that's what I'm trying to focus on. Now I'm moving on to my core exercises, and y'all, this exercise right here really had me feeling sore in my abs and in my side abs, which I forgot what that's called. But the most important thing you want to focus on when doing this exercise is keeping your back straight and your chin tucked. You also want to make sure you don't overextend your back. Like you don't want to like just have this really deep arch in your back when you're doing this. I'm not completely sure what you would call this exercise, but it's a variation of a sit-up. I actually prefer this over the traditional sit-up because I feel like it's engaging my core more. I highly recommend including this in your routine if you want to seriously target your core. My last core exercise is a partner exercise, but it can be modified if you're doing it by yourself just by placing your hands under your butt. Now you can't see my feet, but they're actually not touching the floor. I hold them at least 3 inches above the floor before I bring them back up.